Hey, Miles of Work back with the Online Tipsters, and today we're going to be reviewing the Fuse MRK1 Portable Webcam Light Kit. Let's get into it. Okay, so here is the actual box, and make sure you open it from this side. It actually says open. Once we flick this up, you have the light inside here. It comes with the magnetic mount. The light actually just goes on this. I love this light, guys, but I'll get into that and I'll give you guys a light example. Set that to the side. And I have had this open. I just reboxed everything up real quick just to show you guys on this video. Comes with a wire, USB-C cable. We have our plug, and we have our stand, and we have our mount. I have not used a mount because this stand works perfect for me in my setup, and it's very convenient. You also have the quick start guide right here. When this is actually powered on, you can see you got 3 green dots there. That's your charge, right? So I'm charged up at least 75% of the way with this light. Right here on the foot, there's a rubber edge on the outskirts of this, and it allows it to grip pretty good. This is a pretty smooth surface, and with that being said, this thing sticks pretty well. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a demo of the way this light actually works. So as you can see here, I actually have the light at its lowest settings. This is the light set to the highest settings. So there we go. As you can see, lower, lower, and lower. It actually has a nice little night light feel to it. And now let's actually set this up. Once you put that mount there, you can take this pole, stick it right inside of there. You hook this up, and now you have a light. So that's it, guys. That is the full review for the Fuse MRK1 Portable Webcam Light Kit. I definitely recommend this. Some people may think it's a little pricey. I think it's definitely worth the price. Don't forget, guys, do us a favor, hit that like button, give us a follow. Really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. All right. With that being said, we'll see you in the next video, and I appreciate you for tuning in. Peace.